Dear children, young learners of class 12th, myself, Rekha Sharma, former principal of Bharati Vidya Bhavan, Mehta Vidyalaya, New Delhi, sharing with you important tips for cracking CBSE's class 12th economics paper. Children, prepare thoroughly according to the syllabus, unit-wise and the weightage provided as per the CBSE. As far as possible, revise one complete section of the paper, that is section A, microeconomics, with unit 1, 2, 3 and unit 4, or section B, macroeconomics, unit 5, unit 6, unit 7, unit 8 and unit 9. Preferably proceed from unit 1 to unit 9 as it is a systematic approach for revision, but there is no such hard fast rule. Solve as many practice papers as possible for performing better and good time management. You should try to complete your paper 10 minutes before time and use this time for revision. Now, when attempting the CBSE question paper, read the question asked carefully and then attempt it. As far as possible, proceed in sequence, starting from question 1 till question 24. Attempt any one section, A or B in toto, that is question 1 to question 12 or question 13 to question 24. Note, this is advised for smooth evaluation in the CBSE and there is no hard fast rule. It is a systematic approach. To number the question correctly as per the CBSE question paper, answer as per the weightage of the question asked and also strictly according to the word limit prescribed. In VSA questions carrying 1 mark each, answer in one sentence. In essay 1 question carrying 3 marks each, you should answer in about 60 words each. Essay 2 questions carry 4 marks each and they should be answered in about 70 words each. Long answer questions carry 6 marks each and they should be answered in about 100 words each. Answers should be brief and to the point and the above word limit should be adhered to as far as possible. Word limit is not applicable to the numerical questions. In solving the numericals, giving the formula is a big must as it carries a weightage of 1 mark or 2 mark. Proceed stepwise without any scribbling. Try to solve the numerical on the same page as far as possible. Highlight or encircle or underline the answer to the numerical. Interpret the answer wherever required. For example, in a numerical on elasticity of demand, if the elasticity is 1, then interpret it as a case of perfectly elastic demand. Entries to the numerical, they should be written vertically than horizontally to avoid any careless mistake. Draw a rough work column on the extreme right side of the page when attempting a numerical. Familiarize yourself with CBSE marking scheme of the previous year as a guideline which is suggestive in nature. Diagrams asked in the respective questions, they should be neat with all relevant details and also properly labeled. After attempting a question, it should be tick marked in the question paper. Do not waste time on a question you are not able to attempt. Go to the next one and come back to it last of all. In case of answer to a question being continued on the next sheet, please give pointers like continued on the extreme right hand corner. Use PTO also whenever required. Finally, revise your answers in the last 10 minutes to check for any anomaly. Happy preparation and best of luck to you, dear children.